there is ice cream for all of you.
You're lucky.
You can also have.
No charge.
Pulam, may I have your attention for one moment? This Darbari melody is the king of Indian ragas, absolute king. And you have heard this from a prince of Indian music, a charming prince.
Okay. About this melody also, one must understand. This is the foundation of the melody has to be placed. But in this special melody, the beauty is that the foundation goes in the beyond the third scale, lower than that, what we call as kharaj. The kharaj bharna means the foundation is to be filled on a very, very solid ground. Because the majesty, like an elephant, you can say. You see, the raga is like an elephant, moves like an elephant. And the majesty of that raga has to be carried by very solid notes. That's why these notes are played at lower than the first, like you started the three, there are, as you have got bass and then alto and then tenor and soprano. So we can put it below the bass you played. And the whole thing is built it so well that the whole foundation is placed in a solid way. So that your attention is also solidified. So that your attention becomes concentrated. Because if there is somebody to be respected, the majesty has to be respected, your attention should not be diverted. You should not be hectic, you should not be upset, you should not be disturbed. So first you are fixed. That's the beauty of this raga, is that the first is what we call the kharaj, the base of it is fixed with those notes in such a way that your attention is fixed. And the artist who can do it is a real artist. Today I must say, I'm so pleased to meet this genius child. It's such a great thing. I think, you see, they are all incarnated on this earth from heavens to play this beauty. I mean, just imagine. तो ऐसा खर्च तो किसी ने भरा ही नहीं आज तक बेटे, बहुत बढ़िया.
It was actually very, it was very strange the way I met Mataji. Last Sunday when I went to this concert, actually I did not really want to go to the concert because.
सहज, हम इसे सहज कहते हैं.
जी.
सहज हो गया.
जी हाँ. And I had heard so much about her. But what happened was that I was sitting in this concert and it was about to start and everybody was walking and everybody was sitting there. It was very crowded. And suddenly Mataji emerged. She came into that door and she walked in straight and sat very close to me. She sat on this chair at the back, which was very close to me. And I could feel very strongly her presence. And I knew she was, looking at me, though I was not looking at her. And I tried to concentrate very hard for the first 5 minutes on the musician. And I thought, yes, this is fantastic music. And then I said, okay, I must turn around because I felt she was looking. So I turned around and I saw she was looking. And
she was, you see, because, you know, he's a realized soul, you can see that. आप भी रह खुद ही born realized हैं आप दोनों आदमी. And his kundalini was just going up, जिसे asas कहते हैं, आपकी चढ़ रही थी. So I was looking at him, I said, see, this is moving so fast. And the musician himself was in raptures. You see the one, क्या गाए,
अरे क्या
क्या गाए, उन्होंने भी उस दिन
इतना
कमाल
अच्छा
कर,
मैं तो उनका बहुत दिन में नहीं सुना।
नहीं ऐसे गाते ही नहीं थे,
जी।
आपसे बता रहे हैं, मेरे बर्थडे पे गाया हुआ. He sang on my birthday. That day he was in raptures. And that day when he sang, we were all amazed at his. It's tremendous. अच्छा चाय वाय तो पिलाइए कुछ आर्टिस्ट को. Please let them look after the artist. You must respect. And please don't get up when the artists are playing. You are not supposed to get up. Actually, I never sit on a chair when the artists are playing, but today because CP is sitting here, I'm sitting. Otherwise, I always sit there. That's the place. For mother to appreciate the children, right? It's all right. माँ को तो चाहिए कि बच्चों को समझे और उनका बड़ा कौतुक होता है ना.
अच्छा ही होगा माता जी अगर इन लोग पैर सीधे कर लें क्योंकि काफी देर से बैठे हैं।
हाँ वही मैं कह रही हूँ. So now you can go about little bit. You can walk about if you like because you are not so much used to sitting on the ground, and also offer some tea and something, and then we'll have the second session. All right?
Would you like some ice cream, really?
No, I
Or
would
the
like
tea? Tea.
क्या सुनेंगे आप? कोई फरमाइश हो तो बताइए तो। वक्त है। जी। अच्छा मैं क्या करूँगा कि भैरवी जब बाद में बजाऊँगा तो उसमें मैं राग माले के हिसाब से वो बजा दूँगा। जी वो भी बजाते हैं। अच्छा। तो फिर कलावती इस राग को कलाबंती कहते हैं। ये कलावती से ही निकला है, लेकिन इसमें रिखब किस हिसाब से इस्तेमाल किया गया है ये This rag that I'm playing now is called Kalavanti. It is a rag in which the old saints and sages used to meditate on. And the philosophy of this rag is the light, the celestial light. It is a meditation on light. You guys